Better watch out for government modified ticks through here. What is happening, YouTube? Today's video, we got the Bentac B&W T30 carbine. I think this is going to be a really good truck and backpack gun for all you hikers out there. So if you guys are familiar with my channel, you're familiar with the S45. And I took quite a few pigs with the S45, and it's a pretty good gun, but there are a few downsides to the S45. It's really slug picky. You got to use certain slugs for it. This is a pellet gun only. You're going to be shooting your 30 caliber standard pellets out of it, and it's really accurate at 30 yards from what I've seen. But we're going to take it out to 50. I don't really feel the need in taking this thing out to 100 yards. It's really not made for that. So we're going to do some shooting out of my vehicle. We're going to hit some plates. We're going to hit some paper. So stay tuned. Some 45 grain AEA center punch pellets. We're shooting at 30 yards. I got the one leaf. I'm going to record. We're just going to see what kind of groups we can get at 30 yards. I got a couple of magazines. Let's see what she do. Oh yeah, definitely want to put some ear pro on with this thing. It is not backyard friendly. I think I'll need that. Just using a basic red dot. Wish we would have had this set up when we were working on the pepper farms doing pig removal. Even with the light and the red dot combo at nighttime, this would have been perfect. And I have some 30 cals that out of the box, they're making like 80 foot-pounds, and that's tuning them up and using the right ammo. This thing with these AEA center punch, they are 45 grain pellets. It's making 78 to 80 foot-pounds with a short barrel. I gotta say, AEA, their valve technology, they make a lot of power with their valves. Not sure who they got working behind the scenes out there, but they make some crazy numbers sometimes. But even for this short barrel platform, this rifle's making enough power to kill pigs with the right place shot. And at times we were using long barrel Texans, and I used my gauntlet a few times, but as you already know, if you know air guns, the Umarex gauntlet's like 3-4 foot long. So it's not really ideal for deploying out of a truck. But this thing, I could have chased them through the fields with it with no problem. But yeah, we're going to do a little more shooting, and I'm going to put some chronograph results up on the corner. And just want to thank each and every one of my subscribers. Couldn't do it without you. I'm not going to be the cringy guy that begs, oh, please like and subscribe. You know what? The bell's there for a reason. If you like it, hit subscribe. But if not, keep watching anyway. It's all fun and games. And we have the 6.8 liter air tank in the passenger seat. So loud. Oh, I'm running the air conditioner. It is so hot and muggy outside today, man. It's been raining on and off. It is swamp season for real. Like, I hate the Florida heat. I love wintertime. While I'm loading this mag up, let's talk about yardage parameters on this rifle. If you're looking for something to shoot 100, 150 yards and shoot super tight groups, this isn't your gun. This is a close up 30 to 50, 60 maybe yard gun, just because of the fact the barrel's so short on it. And that's just really it. If it had a longer barrel, I think if they came out with like a 15-inch or a 16-inch 30 cal barrel, that it would do good. Let's talk about the part that I don't like about the rifle. And Aea, please open your ears. Not trying to be rude when I say this. Take your fill probes out of the guns and put nipples on everything, and you'll make everybody so much happier. The Zeus has it. You guys are starting to really adapt. So yeah. And one more thing, actually. This is really about it. The safety. Fires in reverse, safe is in forward. If you could reverse that, that'd be great, because over here in the States, fire is forward, safe is reverse. But other than that, this thing's great. I don't have any complaints. So let's shoot it again. Oh, safety was on. Yeah. This is the laser, the light, just the light, and it has an infrared laser. But we do not have night vision right now, so we're just going to use the laser and the light combo. It's low on air, had a malfunction. Alright. Yeah, this thing's super bright.